Let's say you met with this person and you want to log the meeting. So you can tap on log an activity. You should be able to see activity or the task types. So you should be able to select those and then add the meeting notes here. Similarly, you can create a task. You can also create a meeting. Let's say you met with this person and they said, hey, I'm really busy. Can you come next week? And also I would like to invite one of my colleagues. Instead of you trying to note down the information, you can just sit in front of that person and say, hey, can we block some time next week? You tap on appointment. You can fill in the information here. You say, okay, what time next week works for you? Maybe next Thursday works for me. Okay, sure. Who else you want me to invite? XYZ. So you add the email address, put some description, have saved. What it does is it will create a calendar entry in your Outlook, send the invite to those people, and also create a Salesforce event. So you are pretty much done with all your prospecting work while you are in the field using this app.